Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this Mexican street corn casserole. So, this recipe is more like what we call in my family corn pudding, but it's not like pudding at all. I feel like it's more of a cross between a cornbread and a corn. I don't know. I don't know what this is, but this is what we call corn pudding, but it's not like pudding, and it's not like a casserole, and it's not like a cornbread. Anyways, and it's so easy to make, and I just added some Mexican street corn ingredients. This was really simple. I used the Southwest style corn, and then we use cream corn. We're using a box of the Jiffy brand corn muffin mix, some eggs, some melted butter. I added some chili powder. I added some Tajin. I'm going to add some Cotija cheese. This is a Mexican style cheese. It's sort of like Parmesan, but it's crumbly like feta. It is a challenging cheese, okay? It has a smell, but it's what is in Mexican street corn. So you need to use it. Now I'm baking this in a cast iron pan. You could bake it in any dish you have. It would work. I just had a cast iron pan. My baking dish was in the oven with something else, so I'm just using my cast iron pan. Now, I did grease the crap out of it because this mixture is very wet, and I didn't want it to stick. I was very worried about it potentially sticking, so I greased the crap out of it. I would recommend that you grease the crap out of your pan too, whatever you put it in, because it's better safe than sorry. Anyway, so you put that in the oven for about 30 to 35, maybe 40 minutes, depending on your oven. Now, I'm making a topping that's going to go on this. Normally with this, we wouldn't serve it with a topping, but I felt like a topping would make it more Mexican street corn-esque. So this is some cilantro that I'm chopping up. And you just want to chop this up really fine. And now I'm going to slice up a jalapeno. Y'all know I don't mess around with jalapenos. I did get really risky at the end of this, and I decided to put the jalapenos on top without putting gloves on because I didn't want to waste another pair of gloves. And that was very scary for me. I put them on and then I immediately went and washed my hands. So I'm setting all that aside. I got this out of the oven. I let it cool down. It's still warm, but it's cooled off enough that I could touch the pan and touch the top of this. And I put some more of the Cotija cheese on top, and I added the cilantro, and I added this sliced jalapenos, and there it is. If you want to see this recipe and more, be sure to check out loavesandishes.net, and thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!